So let us begin with pandas. Let us talk about what creation. Now pandas can do what? Pandas. Let's talk about what pandas can create. So pandas can create series. Pandas can create data frame. Alright. And series has certain properties. Data frame also has certain properties. And there are several functions with the help of which in a data frame certain informations can be extracted. All right, but first let us do what? Let us have a look at series first. All right, so A is equal to, let's take a list. We'll do what? We'll convert a list into a series. All right, 5, comma 2, comma 7, comma 4, comma 1. This is my list. Now I'll do what? I'll basically, or let us take S1. I'll convert this list into series. Now to cre create series, we need what? We need to write PD, the object of pandas that we declared and aliased above. All right. And the series function is what? Series functions S should be capital. All right. And inside the function, we have two parameters. Data is equal to the second parameter we'll discuss shortly. So what I'll do over here is that I'll run the cell, and when I run S1, it will show me what? It will show me the value that I wrote it in a list. It has now been converted into what? Into a series. In series, what happens is that the indexes are automatically aligned. In series, what happens is that the indexes are automatically aligned. All right. So this is what it is. Automatically aligned, and it is always in vertical manner, and it is always one dimensional. A series is always one dimensional. All right. D-type integer 64 suggests what? D-type over here integer 64. It suggests that basically it is integer of size 64. It is integer of size 64. All right. So this is what it is. Let us move ahead. So this is how we, with the help of a list, we create a series. All right. Let us do, or let us directly create a series. Let us directly create a series. So let us take what? S2 PD dot series data is equal to let us say 8 comma 11 comma 15 comma 17 comma 25. So another series has been created. Now to check whether it is a series or not, we can always use type, which will show what? Pandas dot core dot series dot series. So pandas dot core suggests what? That S1, in S1 variable pandas has been involved. That is what pandas dot core suggests. What the third thing suggests what? The third after the basically word suggests what? Series. Well, that means with the help of pandas, one has made what? S1 has made what? S1 has been made a series, and this capital S series consists of what? The code, the formula, the syntax that got applied and helped, all right, a list converted into a series. All right. So that's how we basically know the type of series. We can also directly create a series. We can create a series using list. So that's how we create a series. We can apply basic. We can apply basic arithmetic operators such as s plus s1. I'm sorry, s1 plus s2. So we will get what? We will get the resultant of s1 plus s2. Alright, s1 is what 5, s2 is what 8, 5 plus 8, 13. Alright, similarly, s1 plus s2 is what 13 again. So 2 plus 11 is 13, and so on, and so on. Let us use subtraction operator. Similarly, we can use what? We can use asterisk operation. So similarly, we can use floor division operation. Similarly, we can use division operation. Similarly, we can do the mod operation. Always be aware of the spelling mistakes and what variable you're defining. All right. So this is what is similarly we can do what we can. All right. So that's how we can apply arithmetical operators using series. All right. So let us move ahead. All right. Let us move ahead. Let us talk about what? Let us talk about naming of the indexes. Let us talk about naming of the indexes. Naming of the indexes. Now, how do we name the index? Basically, what is the index over here? 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 is the index. All right, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. This is the index in case. In every series, whatever value is on the right, left hand side of the series will be termed as what? A naming of the indexes. So this is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 are the indexes. We can name these indexes as well. All right. So let us name the index. Let us take it as S1 PD dot series. Always remember that this function series in this function series S will always be capital. This is what the syntax is. S will always be what? S will always be capital. Alright, so data is equal to A, the list that we declared above, and index is equal to index is another parameter where we can do what? Where we can write the name the row values. Alright, let us take a simple naming of the row values 1, comma 2, comma 3, comma 4, comma 5, and let us print 7. So as you can see, is from 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. It is printing 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Because what I have printed entered 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 in the index. Alright. Let us take 100, 200, 300, and 500. So as you can see it is named from 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 to 1 to 5, from 1 to 5 to hundreds, value in hundreds. Alright. So this is it has become. Now let us do what? Let us give a proper name to these indexes 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Let us remove this. Alright, so as you can see, it is back to 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. All right, let us do what? Let us name the rows in. So we saw how to name the rows in numbers, integer numbers. Now we'll see what? We'll see how to name the rows in what? How to name the rows in strings. We can also name the rows in strings. All right. So excuse me. So basically do what? So basically, है ना? So you can also matlab, name the indexes, name the rows in strings as well. So we'll see. I've taken a variable row underscore index and I'll basically name the rows zeroth underscore row, first underscore row, second underscore row, alright, third underscore row, fourth underscore row. Run this, but before we run this, what we'll do that we'll take this row index and store it in the index parameter. So as you can see, it has named the rows, the indexes.